Today I'm going to read the story, Why Do I Sneeze? This is a nonfiction story, and this is written by Molly Culpin. Here is the table of contents. So if I wanted to find something specific, I could go to the table of contents to find the page number. In the nose it goes. Why do I sneeze? You sneeze to blast away germs and other particles. Sneezing keeps you and your nose healthy. A sneeze can travel up to 100 miles, that's 161 kilometers per hour. Germs, dust, and pollen are common sneeze starters. These particles enter your nose through the air you breathe. Tiny hairs inside your nose catch the particles. The hairs tickle your nose. This causes sensors to tell your brain to start to sneeze. And I want you to notice that there are words that are bold. They're a little bit darker. Those are vocabulary words. We'll see at the end what those words mean. The not-so-simple sneeze. You have a special area in your brain called the sneeze center. When it's time to sneeze, your sneeze center sends messages to your muscles. This is pointing to where the sneeze center is in your brain. The muscles in your stomach, chest, throat, and eyelids help you sneeze. Thanks to them, your body can get rid of what causes sneezes. Most people shut their eyes when they sneeze. Reasons for sneezes. Germs and dust aren't the only reasons you sneeze. Some people sneeze after looking at bright lights. Scientists think 1 out of every 4 people sneeze after seeing bright lights. Maybe when you go outside today and if you look up at the sun, we can see if that works for you. People might also sneeze if they have colds or allergies. Allergies can cause people to sneeze from things such as mold or pet hair. Wash your hands after you sneeze to avoid spreading germs. Achoo! Sometimes people pinch their noses to stop sneezes, but remember, sneezes keep you healthy. It's best to let them out. And as you can see, this girl is sneezing into a tissue. She's going to catch it in the tissue and then throw the tissue away and wash her hands. When you sneeze, germs fly out of your nose. Use a tissue or sneeze into the crook of your elbow. Doing this will help you keep your sneezes to yourself. Sneeze into your elbows to keep germs off your hands. Remember, we touch everything with our hands, not with the insides of our elbows. And here is a glossary with the words allergy, which means having a reaction such as a runny nose, watery eyes, or sneezing when around or eating certain things. People may be allergic to plants, animals, dust, or certain kinds of food. Crook means the bend or curve. Okay, so it means the bendy inside part of your elbow. A germ is a tiny living thing that can cause illnesses. A muscle is a part of the body that helps you move, lift, or push. And so you use your eye muscles to squeeze them tight. You use your stomach muscles to push that sneeze out. Particle is a tiny piece of something. Pollen is powdery grains that come from flowering plants, and that's why everything is covered in the yellow pollen dust right now. And a sensor is a body part that sends messages to the brain. Okay, and then this also gives you reference to other books that you can read if you're still interested in reading more about sneezes.